Protein is the last macronutrient to be discussed and tends to be the macronutrient that is overlooked the most. But why is this? Well, for starters, protein is quite heavily advertised and sensationalized as the food that's going to get you lean and build muscle. And for the most part, that is true. So why do we find it so hard to eat protein? Let's look at it in a little bit more detail. Just like carbohydrates and fats, protein is found in all manner of foods and across all food groups. But not all sources of protein are equal, and here's why. A protein molecule has 20 different BCAAs, which are branched chain amino acids. And the body makes 11 of these acids by itself. So we need to intake 9 of them from our diet. And this is where the problem can lie. Proteins come from animal and plant-based food groups. The only difference is that animal proteins contain all 9 amino acids, whereas plant-based food groups contain different amounts of the 9 aminos, but not all 9 together. This is not to say that vegan and vegetarian-based diets don't have their place. Far from it. But it does beg the question, are people getting the right amount and enough protein to begin with? So guys, to break this down a little bit further for you, animal protein and plant protein. Animal protein has all 9 amino acids. Now we need 20 amino acids to be able to repair and rebuild the muscle tissue, as well as other functions. However, there are 9 main amino acids that we actually need to consume from our diets that our body doesn't create for us. So the 9 amino acids that we need are in the food that we consume. Now for animal products such as milk, eggs, any type of fish or poultry or meats, they have all 9 amino acids within them that the body can break down. However, with plant-based food groups, or people who follow certain types of dietary intake, such as vegans and vegetarians, they're going to have to work a little harder to find the right amount of all 9 amino acids within their diet, as plants don't contain all 9 amino acids within one serving. Therefore, this means that someone who decides to take on a vegan or vegetarian diet should try to find all 9 amino acids within the plant-based food groups that they consider to eat.